What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to graph functions when you don't have a graphing calculator available. So I will be doing the 5.1 notes on page 3. I'm going to do example F. Okay, now as I'm doing the example F, you're going to have to get any web browser open and you're going to type desmos.com in the search tab and go ahead and get going. Now it's going to take you to a screen like this. You shouldn't have to sign in at all. You can just go ahead and hit graphing calculator. Okay, then it's going to pop up in a blank graph here, and you can click and move around if you want. There shouldn't be too much needed to do from that. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and type in the function. So you go ahead, click over in this area, and we're going to type it in. Now x, now I need to get to the exponent because I need to type x to the 4th. So to get to the exponent, if you hit shift and 6 at the same time, it's going to take you to that exponent. Okay, now you're going to have to hit the right arrow on your keyboard, and that will go ahead and move me out of the exponent because now I need to subtract x cubed. Again, to get to the exponent, shift 6 is going to give me x cubed. Okay, minus 4x, shift 6 to get x squared, and then hit the right arrow, plus 4. Okay, now it gives you a nice visual of what the graph is going to look like. Okay, but if you want to go ahead and get the table of inputs and outputs the same way you have on your graphing calculator, is as you're highlighted in this, if you hit this little gear, and then this right here is going to say convert to table. Okay, so then what you can do is you can go ahead and it'll give you a list of inputs and outputs. Okay, and if you want to go ahead and go farther from that, like you can go ahead and hit 3 for any x value you want to find out, maybe -3, -4, it'll give you those values, and then it will, it'll adjust it for you. So if you want to figure out, -212 is off the graph, I don't have to graph that, but -1, 2, that is on the graph. We're going to want that. 0, 4, 0, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0, and then 2, -4, 2, -4, and go ahead and just kind of complete your curves that way. And then you can just sketch it on the graph by finding the x and y ordered pairs. Okay, that is basically it. So if you have any more questions, feel free to get a hold of me. Goodbye.